my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of history and very creative. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I respect my parents, teachers and elders. I shall treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people and pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity along lies my happiness.
This sir.
Hello. Thank you, sir.